So one of my favorite movies is The Nightmare Before Christmas, and in the opening scenes they have a fountain that Jack jumps into. It's kind of a dragon-like monster mouth, and there's a good picture of it right here. So let's make it. I'm starting out by using that famous T-Rex head that was made so popular on Thingiverse. Except I'm making it about 3,000 times bigger since my machines can take a larger build size. The key to large prints is to make sure that they finish, and nothing eats up more time and material than infill percentage. So I used 5% of the diamond honeycomb fill and made the outer skin really sturdy with 3 walls. To be honest, I printed this about a year ago, so we can all call this a recycling project. Anyway, what I love about these old printers are the sounds that they make. It's like if R2-D2 had a younger stationary brother that just wanted to make noise. I'm printing this on a Jokerbot Z18, and it took over 3 days to print. The settings on it are pretty dialed in, but you can still see and feel the lines because I set it to 0.3 millimeters of a layer height. This won't matter because when we go to paint things, they'll all smooth out. A little sanding and a base coat of primer is helpful. Then to get a more earthy tone, I'm applying a misty coat of green. It doesn't matter if I can't get all the spots because the gray actually makes it look good. All that was left was to take a big piece of tube and to hook it up to the water pump. However, I think I should paint the teeth an off-white to make them really stand out. Let me know what you think.